Hi student, this video is about the derivative of logarithmic function. Okay, let me show you how to differentiate natural logs. For example, we have y equal to ln x. So for this example, the coefficient of ln is equal to 1 and then x here actually refer to function. Okay, differentiate left hand side equal to dy over dx, and then to differentiate right hand side, coefficient over function. So we have coefficient equal to 1 over function equal to x time just differentiate function. Differentiate this function x equal to 1. So final answer equal to 1 over x. Okay, next second example, y equal to 2 ln x square. So we have coefficient equal to 2 and then function equal to x square, and then differentiate left hand side equal to dy over dx, and then differentiate right hand side based on the technique coefficient over function. So 2 over x square time differentiate function, differentiate x square equal to 2x. So now you can simplify for x, so the final answer equal to 4 over x. Okay, next example number 3, y equal to ln 3. So we have coefficient equal to 1 and function equal to 3. So based on the technique, differentiate left hand side equal to dy over dx, and then right hand side coefficient 1 over function equal to 3 time differentiate 3. 3 is a constant, differentiate 3 equal to 0, so we get 0 over 3 equal to 0. Actually y equal to ln 3, ln 3 actually is a constant. You can find the value of ln 3 using calculator. So based on the basic technique of differentiation, differentiate constant equal to 0, so differentiate ln 3 actually equal to 0. Okay, next number 4, y equal to ln x square plus e power of x. So we have coefficient equal to 1 and then function equal to x square plus e power of x. We have two terms here. The first term is polynomial and the second term is exponential function. Okay, now differentiate left hand side equal to dy over dx, and then differentiate right hand side coefficient over function. So 1 over x square plus e power of x time, okay, differentiate function. You need to differentiate term by term. So differentiate x square equal to 2x plus, okay, next term we have exponential function. So to differentiate exponential function, first step you just need to copy all the term. So we have e power of x time differentiate power equal to 1. So the final answer here equal to 2x plus e power of x over x square plus e power of x. Okay, we can cancel term here because we can factor out one of the term. Okay, next example number 5, y equal to ln sin 5x. We have coefficient equal to 1 and then function equal to sine 5x. Sine 5x refer to trigonometric function. So you need to know how to differentiate trigo function. So differentiate left hand side equal to dy over dx equal to differentiate right hand side. We have coefficient equal to 1 over function sine 5x. Okay, time with differentiate this function. So coefficient of sine equal to 1 and then differentiate sine equal to positive cos and then copy the angle. We have angle 5x time differentiate angle, differentiate 5x equal to 5. So the final answer equal to 5 cos 5x over sine 5x. Actually, you can simplify this solution. You can write this as the final answer, or it can be equal to 5 times, okay, tangent equal to sine over cos. So if cos over sine equal to cotangent 5x. Okay, next, number 6. Okay, y equal to 3 ln e. Okay, we have coefficient equal to 3 and function equal to e. E power of 1 is actually a constant. So for number 6, actually 3 times ln e, all the term is a constant, differential constant equal to 0. But if we base on the technique on how to differentiate logarithmic function, so we get left hand side equal to dy over dx equal to, okay, right hand side, okay, coefficient equal to 3 over function time differentiate function, differentiate e equal to 0, since e power of 1 is not a variable but is a constant. You can find the value of e based on calculator or using calculator. So equal to 0. So you get 0 over 3 equal to 0. Okay, next example, number 7. Y equal to e ln x plus e power of cos x. We have logarithmic function and exponential function. So differentiate left hand side equal to dy over dx equal to, okay, right hand side we have e times ln x, but e here is a constant, so e is a coefficient, and then we have function equal to x. So differentiate e ln x equal to e over x time differentiate x equal to 1, okay, plus, okay, the next term we have exponential function. So the first step to differentiate the exponential function, just copy all the term. So we have e power of cos x time, okay, differentiate power. So power we have trigonometric function, and differentiate cos equal to negative sine. So negative sine and the angle x time differentiate angle equal to 1. So the final answer here equal to e over x minus sin x times e power of cos x. So this is the final answer. Okay, thank you.